Palava Freshies, and welcome to another episode of Fresh TV.
So Brown Sugar is about a flat of 4 Pacific Island women who also study at the University of Otago, and in the show Dunedin has just been through a horrible flood which has wrecked their rooms, and so now they have to spend the week in the lounge together.
You only dress the same just so that I have to go with Dolores.
I grew up in Avondale from the age of around 11. I went to high school here, spent most of my time roaming the streets, kinda, not really.
I'm locked in mentally for this. I'm ready to go.
I'm feeling anxious because I don't like heights.
You'll do okay.
My strength is my willpower and my everything. My weakness is nothing.
It's about here and here, not here.
When it comes to climbing itself, the goal is to get from the bottom of the wall to the top of the wall while using only one color hold at a time.
Actually getting ready to go shoot some more content with the boys up in the mountains in Samoan. Why don't I show you guys what I actually take with me to shoot the content so I can actually bring the content out to you guys. This here is my greatest investment. It has kept my gear safe all over the world. I've traveled everywhere with it. I've been to Vietnam, Japan, Indonesia with this. This is my Low Pro hard case backpack. As you can see, I put it through the ringer here in Samoa. It's very dirty, so I do need to wash it. It does fit everything that I have. What I have attached to it is my raincoat. This is also a must, especially if you travel like I travel. It also adds extra support, especially if I'm filming in the rain, which I've done. This is my main camera, which is my Lumix GH5. All the shots that I shoot, especially my cinematic shots, my B-roll shots, I shoot with my Lumix GH5. But the lens that I use for my GH5 mainly is my 25mm. This is because it is small and compact, very easy to carry around with me. This is my GoPro. I love shooting with the GoPro because it's very convenient to pull out. I also have this little hook, so if I'm climbing, for example, I can just whip it out quickly and shoot. If I want a quick shot of towel, for example, shooting a prawn, crossing a creek, this is what I use. This is my DJI Action 2. Before the GoPro, it was this one. Now it's used as a spare camera if my GoPro, my Lumix run out of battery. This is my pocket. This is actually my first ever camera. This is what initially got me into vlogging. It's now mostly used as a spare camera if my Lumix or GoPro run out of battery. Meta glasses. These are really cool. I used it recently to shoot Ken when he was climbing the coconut tree. That was a really cool shot. All the drone footage that you guys see is shot through this one. DJI Air 2S. It is perfect for what I need it for. I've got 3 batteries for my drone and I've got 2 spare batteries. This is a must. 1 spare battery, unfortunately, for my Lumix GH5. I had 2 other spare batteries that broke, so I do need to get more spare batteries for these. This has been a headache for me, especially going into the jungle. I've only got 2 batteries to use while I'm in Samoa, so I definitely need to get another 2. You can never have enough storage. I'm running out of storage all the time. So I've got 1, 2, 3 external hard drives that I bring over to Samoa, and I've got another 2 in Australia. I'm running out of storage, so I need to buy more of these, but these are very important. All the content I have, all the videos that I shoot, they live in here. Portable chargers, a must if you go into the bush. So this is my main phone that I use for communicating. This is the phone that I only use to fly my drone. Sound is just as important as the image that you are shooting. So this microphone is very important. This is wind cancelling. So if you want to reshoot a video and there's too much wind, especially up in the mountains, it's always windy, you must have one of these. All the shooting, all the editing, all the sound engineering, everything to do with my content, I do myself. I do everything alone. I shoot alone, I edit alone, so sometimes I'm sitting in front of the computer if I'm editing for a full day. Thank you for watching this video. I hope now I'll get to see a little bit of what goes on in the background, behind the scenes of the traveling Polynesian. Of Thai. Bye.
Malolele, my name is Basim Kafor.
Buliminaka, my name is Khaleesi.
And keep it fresh. So Migrated Creatives is a Pacific performing arts collective that was originated in South Auckland. We were hoping to create the space in South Auckland, but plans changed, and moving down to Dunedin really gave us the vision of starting it here. My co-founder is the one and only Peter Langaaya, and he specializes in all forms of dancing, and he's also produced the mini shows that we have planned. Migrated Creatives has been received real well in Dunedin. We've been receiving a lot of love and support, not from only the students or the staff in the university, but from the locals as well.
I'm gonna watch my anime and sit right here. Did you not want to shower today?
So Brown Sugar is about a flat of 4 Pacific Island women who also study at the University of Otago, and in the show Dunedin has just been through a horrible flood which has wrecked their rooms, and so now they have to spend the week in the lounge together.
You only dressed the same just so that I have to go with Dolores.
So I played Beatrice. She is kind of like the mom of the group. She's in her, I believe, final year of medicine, and she's basically like, I would say, like the glue of the flat.
Opening night was very scary to me because it was my first theatre show as a director and a writer. So I was really nervous, kind of numb, not gonna lie. And it wasn't until curtain call where I finally became present and felt the energy in the room.
And it was like sitting behind that curtain is when it all kind of like hit me at once. I used that to kind of like put it into my performance. Yeah, especially since knowing that all my friends were in the audience as well, that opening night, it made me want to do like really well.
Okay, now close your eyes and give me your palms.
And I feel like these characters really reflected what a lot of us islanders, especially down here in Dunedin, have, like people we have as friends. Like I definitely related to Beatrice, and like the group, the flatmates that I did have in the show definitely reflected the people around me as well.
My adopted parents arrived on the scene.
The audience can look forward to a space for a creative outlet for the university students who have moved to Dunedin and have a love for the performing arts, but they study something else. So just like Brown Sugar, none of the cast studied performing arts. And so Brown Sugar was really their creative outlet to kind of be free and to perform in Dunedin in a way that they haven't yet.
Wait, don't go anywhere because we have more freshness after the break. We can see you. Yeah, just don't go. Don't go. Stay right there. Yeah. Stay put. Yeah. Just don't go. Don't go. No, yeah. See, like, don't. Like, just don't go. Welcome back, friends and family. And here's what's up next on Fresh.
Three things that might surprise other people are I have 13 siblings. I'm left-handed and I am allergic to bees. My name is Kenahemana Hiko, and this is Young, Gifted, and Brown. So I spent a lot of my time in Niue growing up with my three brothers. We attended primary there, sort of helping out my grandma at her shop, Hinapoto, at the commercial centre, alongside going with our dad to the bush. I grew up in Avondale from the age of around 11. I went to high school here, spent most of my time roaming the streets, kinda, not really. Hello.
Hey, what's up? How we doing?
Doing good, and you guys?
Good, thanks. Yeah, I remember. You used to come here and get our cycling when she was like a hit girl.
Yeah.
Yeah, I remember.
Be enthused, but don't look too amused. This is her queendom. Please respect her rule.
Yes, I attended Avondale College. I was the first Niuean head girl in the school, and that would be 80 years, the very first.
Trailblazer.
Maybe. Potentially. When I was told that I was the first Niuean head girl, at first it was like, are you sure? And then the more I thought about it, and then the more I saw the impact, it was like not only an achievement for myself, but also for my family and my people in such a big school. There's always a lot of Niueans around Avondale, so for them to know that they had somebody in that position, I think for a lot of us, it was just a moment of pride. The opportunity to represent Carmel Sepuloni in Youth Parliament, one of the parents at Avondale College said that I should go for it. So I was like, okay, I'll try it. And then put my name through, did the application, got the interview, and then she was like, okay, you're it. And it was like, oh, are you sure? And she was like, yeah. I think it was a really good opportunity, not only just for myself, but just so that people could see that, you know, you are able to be in those spaces. The thing that surprised me the most in Parliament would have been just how little representation we get in there. Civic representation within politics and leadership is important so that our people have a voice that's not by somebody who can just see the facts, but also through someone who's lived through that, by the people, with the people, in order to make sure that our representation and the change is for us, by us. We are at the University of Auckland, the best place ever.
Why is it the best place ever?
First of all, it's the first law school. It's #1 in New Zealand. I really enjoy the classes here, the people here, and being close to the city and my family. I study a conjoint of law and global studies, majoring in human rights and global politics. The biggest adjustment since moving into university, I would say, is not being surrounded by family. It's new. It's not bad, but it takes time. Oh, for a young Pacifica person who is interested in Parliament, you're interested in leadership, or even just attending university, I feel as though the biggest thing for you guys to do is just to say yes, is to always think that every opportunity is for you, that scholarship is for you, that application is for you. It doesn't matter if you don't tick every box, if you tick at least one box, I feel as though that you're worthy of that.
Hello, Algeta Bulvinaka. I'm Jane, and we are here at the Henderson Night Market for fresh feeds. Now, Fresh is giving me a challenge of $30 for me to try and get a feed. Now, that's a feed, a drink, and dessert. I've calculated my estimates to be $19.50. Don't quote me. Okay, so I'm gonna try and probably bargain with you for fries.
Yep, absolutely.
And maybe I'd add on $1 for some of your homemade garlic sauce.
Give it that for you for $14.99.
All right, $14.
$14.
Let's go for it. This is my first shop that I'm trying, and I've already lost $14. I've calculated my estimates to be $19.50. We're here for the vibes. All right, $30. Hiya. How much are those? $3. $3. I'll have one, please. Thank you so much. Given my current budget, it's looking like we're having a packet of rice and go and sleep. Juicy, succulent, meaty. I'm sold. I'm sold. $5 win. Thank you. Yeah. Sorry, so I was looking at your tropical calamansi.
Yes.
I think I'll have one. I'll have one of your mango lemonade. Amazing. Thank you so much. Someone's kindly given me some pork because I look hungry. That's like victory. Thank you so much for coming with me to the Auckland Henderson Night Market.
Good
morning, fam. I'm Tessie.
And I'm Alvin, and welcome to
Fresh Out of Water. Indoor climbing.
What?
Hey.
Hey guys.
How you doing?
It's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. I'm Tessie.
Olivia.
Nice to meet Olivia.
meet you.
Hi.
As you can see, Northern Rocks is a rock climbing gym.
Cool.
More specifically, it's a bouldering gym. So bouldering is a kind of climbing that has no ropes and no harnesses. You're gonna be climbing just yourself, your climbing shoes, and the wall over here. I always say that rock climbing is a really good workout, both physically, but also mentally. Every climb that you see is a problem to be solved. So we often find that people learn a lot about their confidence in their problem solving, seeing something new and knowing how to approach it and knowing different ways to approach it.
Yeah, it's gonna be deeper than I thought.
Life skills, teaching me life skills
I'm
here.
gonna get emotional.
How are you guys at your problem solving?
I'm locked in mentally for this. I'm ready to go.
I'm feeling anxious because I don't like heights.
You'll do okay.
My strength is my willpower and my everything. My weakness is nothing.
It's about here and here, not here.
When it comes to climbing itself, the goal is to get from the bottom of the wall to the top of the wall while using only one color hold at a time. I'm gonna place both of my hands on the start hold over here because it's my first hold. Then I'm gonna go ahead and do maybe 2 moves. So 1 move here, foot up and reach. And then from here, I'm gonna take a fall. And then bum, and then back like this. Two hands, feet up.
What, like that?
Yes. You've got it.
There?
Yes. Don't overthink it. You've got this. Beautiful.
Ah, I see. Feet first.
Excellent. So now that we've done our practice fall, we might as well finish it.
Okay.
Come on, Tessie, you can do it. I hope you fall off. I hope you take 2 hours.
Oh my gosh, I'm so good.
Yeah, so good.
That's a really good crossover. Nice.
Yo, I'm kind of scared now.
You got it. Yeah, there you go. So graceful.
No,
got
wide.
it.
You gotta go wide in the jeans.
Let's try moving those
split
arms
the difference.
up. Yeah.
Nice. Well, I obviously showed him how to do it.
When you're climbing, you tend to have your arms up here like this. We call these the T-Rex arms.
Yeah.
Because you look like a
That's
T-Rex.
his normal arms.
There we go. We're gonna try to keep nice and straight arms.
Oh, now I'm scared. I don't need no chalk.
Come on, Tessie.
Come on. Yeah, that's already better. You got it. Yes!
Oh,
absolutely, come on.
Shot bar. There's one foot there. There's one foot there. You can see. No, no.
Oh, sorry.
That's cheating. 2 hands on it. 2 hands on it. Yeah.
Come on, Tessie.
Yes!
Let's go. You got this, Tessie.
Yes! That was clean.
Time challenge. Okay. Paper, scissors, rock. Okay, so you win, so you get to go first.
You go first.
Nice, nice. 3, 2, 1, go. Time has started. Whoa. Oh no, he's going serious. Achoo! I was alright, that's near. That's the choke. He's doing better than I thought he would. 25 seconds.
Bro, I used to climb trees back in Hawaii like nothing, ducks.
2 hands time. Oh, that was pretty impressive, I can't lie. 31 seconds. But he got a bit of extra.
Oh my God.
Whoa. What?
3, 2, 1, go.
Where's it?
Up, up.
Hey, you cheated.
Up. More to the right, bro. More to the right, ducks. Too fast, too fast. Slow down, slow down.
You know, it's not always about the speed. It's about never giving up, and that's what I wanted to teach people today. Well, I thought that was a warm-up.
Oh,
were we recording?
I didn't know we were going to. Sorry, Sissy.
Good test of strength, like mental, physical ability. I'm pretty sure it's something that I'm willing to try again, learn more, get better at. You know.
Resilience.
Thank you for tuning in for this week's episode. Until then, keep it fresh.
Talo for Freshies, welcome back to Fresh Capsule. My name is William Swasarash, and I'm gonna teach you how to style black pants 4 different ways for 4 different occasions. Black pants are low-key an MVP of everyone's closet, so I'm gonna teach you how to dress it up, how to dress it down, and how to dress it nice. Outfit number 1. This is such a clean outfit. This is such business look. You can wear this to your office job. You can even wear this to church. It's just so clean. It's just so chic, and it's my favorite. I've paired it with clean jewelry, not too much because it's not a distracting outfit. I think we want to keep it quite clean. It's the tidy look, and I've paired it with these.